A very good morning, students. So, today we will cover dairy farming, classification of crop, and then we will talk about Kharif and Rabi crops. So, starting from very first dairy farming. So, the rearing of cattle on a large scale on the outskirts of cities to meet the demand for milk and animal products is called dairy farming. Here comes a word outskirts. So it means the outer parts of a town or a city. Okay. So scientific methods of farming are employed and heavy capital investments are required. So here scientific methods are employed and a heavy amount of capital is invested in this type of dairy farming. So it is practiced in regions where it is practiced in Australia, New Zealand, Denmark, Netherlands in Europe, and North America. In India, a white revolution was started with the setting up of cooperative societies for dairy farmers. It started with a very famous brand of today that we all know, that is Amul in Gujarat, and soon it spread to all other states of India. Okay. Now we come to major crops. So, a large variety of crops are grown all over the world to meet the requirements of growing population of today. Crops are classified into food crops, then second is fiber crops, and the third one is your beverage crops. So, major food crops of the world are wheat, rice, maize, and millets. Jute and cotton comes in the fiber crops, and important beverage crops are tea and your coffee. So we will talk about these crops in detail in the next class. We move to Kharif and Rabi crop today. So in India, we basically know there are two cropping seasons. First is Kharif and the second one is Rabi. Okay. So the Kharif crop is a summer and monsoon crop, we call it. The crop is sown in the month of April or May and it is harvested by October. Paddy or rice is the main Kharif crop. Now we come to the Rabi. The Rabi season lasts through the winter months. Crops are sown between October and Feb and harvested by June, and wheat is the main Rabi crop here. We leave our topic till here. We'll continue rest of the topics in the next class. Till then, thank you, students.